Hello, I'm Freddie. Welcome to Bike Clinique. We're thrilled to introduce the next evolution of Bike Clinique. Our new specialism, bicycle upgrades and custom dream bike builds. From group set upgrades to new wheels or even full bike transformation, we will take your bike to the next level. Upgrading your existing bike will not just save your wallet and the planet. It's the smartest way to enhance performance, longevity, and most importantly, your enjoyment. Here's our promise to you. Your experience with Bike Clinique will be unlike any other bike shop. Our relationship won't end when you pick up your bike. We'll be there every step of the way. Of course, we are still committed to what brought us here. We will still be providing expert level servicing by our master technicians. Because your bike's best days are ahead, welcome to the next level. Welcome to Bike Clinique.